Hey, this week a walkthrough on using Google Pomelli for creating great social media ads or posts. What is it? It's from Google Labs. It's experimental, still free, AI-powered marketing tool. It's being marketed to small and medium-sized businesses. It generates on-brand social media content and ad campaigns in minutes. It automatically extracts your entire brand identity just by typing in your website URL. It's pretty cool. As of March 4th, 2026, USA, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, and so far only in English. Quick shout out Emily Laird, who runs the UW-Stout weekly AI Meetup. Boy, in 60 minutes you get up to speed on all AI developments from the last week. Emily does a great job. She mentioned Pomelli last week, and then Alina Bankal, who gave me a great deep dive in getting started with Pomelli. Thanks, Alina. Let's take a look. Pomelli is a great tool from Google Labs. It's currently in beta, currently free. Now I've already run this before, but I'm going to come in here and reset my business DNA. All right, so to get started, you're going to give it a website, and it's going to pull all the assets and colors and fonts from that website. I'm going to try something different today. I'm specifically trying to build ads for webinars, like hire me, a company could hire me to do a webinar for their group. And so instead of just MrExcel.com, I'm going to start from this page, and we'll come out to Pomelli, generate business DNA, and I'm going to put in that specific page as the first page and see if it picks up the assets that are there, right? And this is great. So we have a view that it sees that page. Now this takes a few minutes, so I'll pause the video right here. Okay, so it comes back with your business DNA, right? Comes with your colors, logo, fonts, and then tagline, brand aesthetic, brand tone of voice, and some images over here. Now, if there's an image that shows up, like there was an ad running for a local hospital, right? So you can get rid of those, and you can even upload other images. You can also, over here, change any of these. Like some of these are just generic, and I might want to change them. So I'll pause the video and fix those. Okay, so then once you have updated the colors and any tags over here, business overview, gotten rid of any pictures that are not relevant, next we're going to use your business DNA to generate social media campaigns. So say, looks good. And first we see 3 suggestions based on business DNA, but you really want to give it a prompt. Okay, so then at campaigns, I've chosen 2 images to focus on. They have 3 different sizes that we can use. And then describe the campaign you want to create. This doesn't have to be short. I have the whole campaign goal here. We're trying to sell live online Excel training for corporate teams. The audience for the ad is corporate training managers, HR coordinators. Talk about me a little bit, how many books I've written, what the offer is. So remote training, interactive session, customize the audience skill level. Price works out to about $20 per employee or less, depending on the size of the group. How much participants will save, brand voice, clear call to action such as book a training session or ask about available dates. And then here, an experiment. Give me a bold or attention-grabbing variation designed to maximize engagement. So we take this entire thing, copy, and then paste into that, describe the campaign you want to create, and then we'll click Generate Ideas. I'll pause the video here. Okay, so in a couple minutes, it came back with 3 ideas here, and I clicked on one. Once I clicked on one, it actually generated it. So you get descriptions of what it's going to do, and then click through, and this is nice. Look at this, 4 different ads to choose from. And any of these can be changed. So if you can click on it, there's a chance to change the header, change the description, change the call to action. And then save. All right, after editing the header, the description, adding a call to action, I have a nice little ad here. I'm ready to download it. All right, so now this is cool. This size is great for LinkedIn, but let's say I want to run something on Facebook. So I'll come in here and say for the story, 9x16. About 2 minutes left. I'll pause the video here. Okay, and on this size, they offer animate or animate without text. Let's take a look at both of those. First, we'll do animate. About 3 minutes left. Again, I'll pause. So it's interesting to me that the huge animate button and then the tiny little animate without text. This animation with text, in this case, came out really good. No problems with it. In the past, though, I've seen the text kind of come in a little bit wonky, and that's probably why they animate without text. We get some clouds there and people moving, right? So I don't know what the backstory is on this, why we have both. But try to animate with text, and if it doesn't work, then what are you going to do with this? Are you going to go edit it somewhere else? Yeah, well, it's a pain. Yeah, so bottom line, Pomelli for free. Boy, it's a great deal. I keep seeing ads for Canva and Zile AI, and yeah, save hundreds of dollars by not paying for those and being able to create the social media. So give it a try if you're in one of those countries that is working now. Well, hey, I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.